So I said there would be some announcements coming. This is gonna be the first small announcement that I'm gonna make about the channel. So what you're looking at right here is a 2005 Pontiac Grand Prix. This is not a GTP, it is not a GXP, it's pretty obvious of that actually, but it is a 3.8, it's the NA 3.8, and it's fairly optioned out. But before we talk about what it is and what I'm gonna do with it, let me show you what it looked like when I went and picked it up. So as you can see, this thing basically looked like Swamp Thing. It has been sitting under a tree for a good, probably solid 2 years. So it has every piece of neglect it could possibly have. I have already cleaned it up, which you might be able to tell looked a little bit better on the outside. I pretty much just pressure washed it off to see what was under it. So I haven't gotten into any prep or any serious fixing yet. But it cranks and runs. It's got decent tires on it. It's probably titleable about now. I do know already there's a couple different warning lights on in the dash and some other little problems. So let me take you around the car really quick and then I'll show you what kind of stuff I'm going to be working on. But I thought this might be a good project for the channel because I thought you guys might want to see me bring what is basically an abandoned car back to the point of being a really decent car again. And this thing's, keep in mind, only got about 150,000 miles on it, so that's completely doable at this stage in the game. So let me show you a little bit of what we're going to be working with. So overall, the paint is not too bad on this thing. The tires are not too bad. Several of the wheels are actually pretty clear. The headlights look horrible. I do think, because they looked better when they were wet, I do think that they're going to be savable probably, but we'll see when we get to that. This bumper has seen better days. Not really sure what in the hell they were doing there, but it's a city car, so I'm going to guess probably running over curbs. See, most of the side here looks pretty good. There's a couple spots like this where the wheels are pretty bad off that we'll have to deal with. The tail lights look pretty good. Sort of a dent in the back there, so nothing too bad. I do not know as of yet why the tailpipe is kind of crooked. I guess we'll get to that. There is some clear coat peel, as you can see right here. But overall, the body is pretty straight. Interior is a little bit of a different story. It is, first of all, absolutely filthy. As you can see right here, the seats are cloth. It is the lighter colored interior.
Phone unavailable.
And it says that all the time. And the center console lid, I'm not really sure what happened here, but it looked pretty unhealthy. Most of the plastic's still in one piece though. I don't see much broken there. The headliner looks okay still. And the back seat is mostly just really, really dirty, but I don't really see much of anything broken. So that's good. The air conditioning works, which I was surprised about. And the radio works, but the display does not work. So I don't ever keep stock radios anyway, so expect a video about that for sure. But other than that, not too bad. Under the hood is a pretty familiar sight. It's a NA Series 3 3800. It is pretty filthy under here too, but for the most part, I don't see any very major problems. As I said before, there are some warning lights on. The ABS light is coming on. The ABS is acting weird. The transmission was acting a little weird, but I believe the fluid was really low, and that might be why. So I'm gonna have some things to check out there, but it does crank and run every time. The engine sounds pretty healthy, so that's pretty promising, I would say, considering this car's history. So if you're looking forward to seeing this unfold, or if you have any ideas, or if you have any ideas for a name for this thing, since I seem to sort of have a name for the other two, or what I should do with it when I'm done, make sure you drop that down in the comments. I'm still kind of throwing ideas around. And other than that, though, I will see you guys in the next video. There are more announcements coming. This was just the smallest, easiest one to make. Make sure you like this video and make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you've hit the bell icon, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and peace.